Okay, what we're going to do is, let me move this over here. What we're going to do is, we're going to go through the process using Windows Movie Maker, which is a live feature that, the Windows 7 OS has. I think Movie Maker is available in earlier versions as well. And, it's the equivalent of, on a Mac, iMovie type of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to watermark a video. I wanted to show you how to do that because in some instances you'll probably use, you'll want to have that. Whether you're sending these videos, out on the first page to for maybe your directory blog or your review, your local service review blog, if you want to use these videos in that way, or if you want to use them for prospecting or what have you, or just kind of brand yourself as the video marketing authority type of thing. It's just it's easy to do and it looks professional. So we will go over and just grab our HVAC MP4 file, drag it right into that area there. Again, this is the OS, Windows 7. Yours may look different, but this comes free with Windows here. All right, so we have this. What we're then going to do is click this button up here that says Title. Okay, there's a few things. Just kind of watch closely. If you see, this gives us a blank screen, okay? And with that screen, I mean, again, this is something else you could do with this. Gives you a number of options in terms of some movement. Really very cool. So this is just to show you, some of the things that it could do. If you wanted to just use text and that blank screen. Now, I'm going to show you a way using YouTube in another video that you could brand these things and have the ability to go back and change it. If you brand this and it's in the actual video file, there's no changing it at that point. So that's why I suggest the only thing that you're going to do here is maybe watermark, watermark your website onto that. So we're going to be working with this. I double click that. This comes up for us to edit. There's a few things that we're going to do here. One, we don't need this screen, this blank screen here. So we're going to just grab that and bring it over to the video area, okay? Now we could just select the blank screen and delete it. Okay, I'm double clicking on the text area again. And if you see, we play it.
When searching for the right HVAC contractor, keep these important things in mind.
It's at 7.
It takes an HVAC
it's at 7 seconds. Okay? So what we're going to do is select it. And we know we could just hover over here and we could see the duration of the video. So that would be 63 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll go over here. The start time is at 0 and the end time is at 63. All right. So if you see, it goes throughout the duration of the video at that point. Okay, now editing this. Okay, there's a few things you want to do to really have this static as possible. Because if it's not static, what it's going to do is this whole process, if you make it some type of a fade in or something like that, notice this whole process is then going to be 63 seconds. So whatever fade in that you're doing is going to be 63 seconds in some cases. Like here, you see, you don't even see it.
When searching for
it's going to take 63 seconds for that to come all the way up. So we want to kind of disengage that, and we go to the upper topmost area here and just none. Okay, so that means there's no fade in, there's nothing, it's just
when
there.
Searching for the right HVAC.
Okay, so we're going to take that, bring it over here. What I'm going to do is edge, okay. Okay, let's see what we got. I think that's going to be a little too big. So let's go to, say, 30. Okay. I think I'm going to turn this into a blue. It stands out against the darker colors. Okay. So, at that point, let's play it.
When searching for the right HVAC contractor, keep these important things in mind.
Now, the definition of a watermark is, of course, a lightened text behind the video's activity. So what we do is we're going to double click this and we're going to select transparency. Okay, and here's where we determine the opacity of the text. Okay, so we'll keep it down here. Let's see how it might be if it was bold. Okay, let's try that.
When searching for the right HVAC contractor, keep these important things in mind. The time it takes an HVAC contractor to respond to your initial phone call or inquiry is usually a good indication of how prompt they'll be when it comes to your installation or service. Any contractor who asks you...
Okay, I think that's good. It doesn't detract from what's going on, and I think that's perfect. So that is how we would create a watermark.
When searching for the right HVAC contractor, keep these important things in mind. The time it takes an HVAC contractor to respond to your initial phone call or inquiry is usually a good indication of how prompt they'll be when it comes to your...
Okay, so now no one is going to be taking this video and using it. All right? So there you go. That is how you watermark using the Windows Live Movie Maker for Windows 7. And like I say, there is equivalent tools out there that you could use. I know Camtasia has that ability as well. So, okay, hope that was informative, and we'll see you in the next video.